In this video, I'll show you how to export Canva slides into Google Slides. Canva has so many beautiful presentation templates available. However, Google Slides doesn't have it. So all the template available in Google Slides is not that stylish. So if you want to use this design in Google Slides, you have to export it. Canva is not the presentation-oriented platform, so it lacks some features. So I think Google Slides is much better to edit all these elements, and it's very user-friendly and easy to use. So I have already inserted this template here, so I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, go up to the share, and then select See All. Scroll down to Google Drive, and then select PPTX. Make sure you connect to your Google Drive account before you export. So this PPTX format is the PowerPoint document. And then hit Save. Yeah, your export has been exported, and click this View in Google Drive. It opens in Google Drive. Sorry, Google Slide. So now you can edit whatever elements in this slide, but there is something you need to be aware of. Some fonts in Canva is not available in Google Slide. If that's the case, you have to adjust it by yourself. So just keep that in mind. Thank you for watching.